Suvendu adhikari's Atmakaraka planet, the Sun, is positioned in the 5th house along with the 9th lord, Jupiter. In the divisional chart D9, the Sun is in Pisces. Venus is forming a Malavya Mahapurusha yoga from both the Moon and the Ascendant, along with Mars. Retrograde Saturn is located in the 10th house, casting an aspect on its exaltation sign, Libra. Mars also aspects its own Multrikona house, strengthening its position. The lords of the 2nd and 9th houses are placed in the powerful 5th house, while Rahu in the 8th house brings sudden fluctuations in life. The Aruda Lagna social image falls in Aries, alongside retrograde Saturn indicating a karmic obligation to serve society. Venus in the 7th house from the Aruda shows potential support from the women of West Bengal, while Mars in the 7th suggests he will face struggles and have to make tough decisions to achieve power. Currently, he is in Rahu's subperiod, Antardasha, under Venus's major period, Mahadasha, which started on October 15, 2015, and will continue until October 15, 2035. From December 13, 2025, Jupiter's subperiod will begin and last until August 14, 2028. Beginning in May 2025, Rahu and Ketu will return to their original positions in his natal chart, known as the Rahu-Ketu return, marking the start of a new 9-year phase. Jupiter's transit will accelerate after May 2025, and he will also experience Saturn's return, a significant period in his life. During the 2026 election, Suvendu adhikari will be in Venus Mahadasha and Jupiter's Antardasha. The timing of planetary combinations, such as Saturn-Rahu, Venus-Jupiter, or Venus-Saturn, or vice versa, could result in either significant power or the loss of position altogether. India, meanwhile, will be under the Mars Mahadasha. I've made a separate video examining the astrological charts of West Bengal, the TMC party, and the current chief minister, titled Fall of a Foolish Queen. According to her chart, the coming 8 to 9 years may not be favorable for her health or political standing, suggesting she will eventually lose her place in India's political arena. West Bengal also has Cancer as its ascendant, making the moon a crucial planet in the state's chart. In 2026, West Bengal will enter the moon Antardasha. Notably, Suvendu adhikari's Rahu overlaps with Mars in West Bengal's chart, while Sun and Jupiter overlap with Saturn and Rahu, and Mars and Venus overlap with the Sun and Mercury in West Bengal's chart. These astrological alignments indicate a strong likelihood that Suvendu adhikari will become the next chief minister of West Bengal, as his chart shows a favorable synchronization of influential factors.